So the body of a newborn baby has about 300 bones, but the average adult has 206 bones. That doesn't mean the other remaining bones, they vanished. No, they joined and they became complete bones. That's why they say, oh my god, the baby is so delicate. Handle with care. Okay, don't let it fall. Let him fall or let her fall. So as child grows, some bones fuse together. They join together. Okay, this is why the number differs. Coming to ligaments. Girls, ligament is very important once again. I will just give you an example. Your grandmother, she tells you, while she's getting up, she says, oh, I cannot get up. Oh, my back. Oh, my legs. And sometimes I even see you in the class. Oh, Miss Odd. You all just make such sounds saying that your bones are hurting, especially when I make you write a lot. I remember who used to say me, Vishan. Yes, Vishan. Miss, my hands, my fingers. I want to cut it. I want to make your answers short. Anyways, so those, why? Because between each bone, where bones are connected, those are called as joints. So between the joints, there is some sticky substance, okay, or some tough tissue, which is called as tough flexible strand. Strand means something like thread, but very strong one that holds bones together. So everyone, will you remember? Ligament means your grandmother complaining her joint pains, or Vishan complaining her joint pains in the class. I'm sorry, it was not only Vishan. Many of the girls say me that. But honestly, I miss you all a lot, especially Majdoleen. So yeah, so let me come back and start missing the lesson first. So ligaments, they hold bones together. Ligaments allow movement and are found at the end of the bones. Every end of the bone which is connected to the other bone that has this ligament. Some of them, like your backbone, okay, the vertebrae, it doesn't move a lot. You cannot fold your back, right? Because it has tough connective tissue, tough ligament. I'm sure you all understood ligament properly. Now, what about cartilage? Ligament, I told you to remember your grandmother complaining. Okay, cartilage, just hold your nose with one hand, and with the other hand, hold your ears. Okay, so try to turn this whole ear and nose. Try to, move it. Yes, those soft muscles are nothing but cartilage. Or soft bones, sorry, not muscles, I'm so sorry. Soft bones, okay, those are cartilage. They're very strong, but they're flexible. This is what I wanted to say. They're strong, but they're flexible and smooth connective tissue, okay? So they are at the end of the bones also. They allow the bones to move smoothly across each other. The tip of your nose and your ears are soft and bendy because they contain only cartilage. They contain only cartilage. It does not contain blood vessels. I hope you understood till here. So now coming to what are bones made of. They are hard organs made of minerals and connective tissue. Minerals means which minerals? Yes, Noor, you were asking me. It's calcium. Okay? Calcium and connective tissue. If you look inside a bone, you would notice two kinds of bone tissues. One is called a compact bone. Okay, it is very hard, what you see from outside. And inside this hard compact bone, you have blood capillaries. When I say capillaries, you must remember those straws, very, very thin straws. Okay, so they are having those very tiny canals which contain blood capillaries. So this was about the hard bone. Now the other kind of bone tissue is called a spongy bone. It doesn't mean it's very soft like a sponge, but yes, not that hard like a compact bone. They have holes, open spaces. It provides most of the strength and support for the bone. Okay, especially for the arm or leg. I told you femur and femur. And it also have another